How much different would your life look with another $100 or $1,000 in your bank account? The first thing that I want you to do to add at least $100 to your bank account by this weekend is to sell junk on Facebook Marketplace. I use the word junk because I personally hate everything. I could live in a house with nothing and be happy, but chances are your house is filled with junk or stuff, and like they say, one man's trash is another man's treasure. And I've learned this, I guess, the easy way this summer. I started listing stuff on Facebook Marketplace. I didn't realize how much demand there was for everything and anything. I put my old mattress up for sale, like an old mattress, over 5 years, stiff, very stiff, not very good, coffee stains on it. I put it up for sale and somebody bought it for $80. They picked it up, they paid me $80 for an old mattress. So within a few clicks, I posted this, and Facebook Marketplace is super easy. It's localized and there's different groups attached too. There's like for different communities and different kinds of items. I put it up and within a couple days, someone came, picked it up, gave me $80. That's just one thing. I've seen people sell video games, old clothes, old Xbox. I even saw someone sell a dish rack the other day. They put a dish rack up for sale because they're moving. So they're like, oh, might as well list a dish rack. And someone came and bought a dish rack for $10. They drove to someone's house to buy a dish rack. So there's no limits from a $10 dish rack to an $80 mattress to anything you can think of. So here's what I want you to do before this weekend, or as soon as you see this video. Find 1 to 5 things around your house that you can sell. It could be, like I said, a mattress, it could be an old couch, an old TV. I sold my couch also, $400 right there. Find 5 things, at least one thing, 5 things hopefully. Take a bunch of photos, go through Facebook Marketplace, the different buy and sell groups, see what similar items are selling, list your items. It takes at the most 2 minutes. Get some decent photos, put a decent description. You know, that's your chance to work on your copywriting. List it and see what happens. I promise you, you'll make at least your first $100. Stay tuned for option 2. Option 2 for adding at least $100 to your bank account. Negotiate a fixed expense. What's a fixed expense? It's something that you pay every month regardless of what happens. So this could be your cell phone bill, your internet, your Tinder Gold, or Premium. I know there's different kinds of Tinder levels. Whatever you have, chances are you have too many fixed expenses. So the first thing I always recommend is to cut one of these. Let's be honest, we don't need all those TV subscriptions. We all got Netflix, Hulu, Prime, Disney Plus. There's like 10 of them, and they all have the same murder shows. So try cutting one, and then negotiate a fixed expense that you still need. Like, I would never suggest that you cut your cell phone bill because you obviously need a cell phone to live. But call your cell phone provider, call your internet provider, see if there's a better deal. And if they don't budge, be willing to walk away. As soon as you say you want to cancel your account, they won't let you off the line. I promise you. This applies to your bank, your insurance, to everybody. There's so much competition for your money that you have to be willing to walk away and you'll find somebody else. You can at least say $50 up to $100, hopefully, depending on how many subscriptions you have. Go through your credit card bill right now. Look at those fixed expenses. Find one that you can tackle. Call them up. Ask for a discount. Threaten to leave. Save $100. Stay tuned for option 3. Option 3 to add at least $100 to your bank account. Go through old gift cards. Chances are that your drawers are filled with gift cards you got over the years as gifts, obviously. You know, whether it be from a friend, coworkers, or something. And you know, you might think that it's not a big deal. It's only $2 here, $3 there, but that money adds up. So go through those gift cards and go follow up with those places. You know, I got a bunch of Tim Hortons gift cards, Starbucks, LCBO, liquor store, which I haven't used, and it's on me too. So this is a reminder for myself. I'm gonna go through my drawers. I'm gonna get those gift cards, cash them in. And you might have anywhere up to $100. And I know it seems like a hassle, but I mean, those cards are laying around collecting dust anyways. You might as well get that money and use these 3 options to add at least $100 to your bank account by this weekend. Thanks for watching.